Welcome back to the channel. I am Sandeep Jain with 12 year experience. I am going to show you exactly how to create an appointable product in WooCommerce step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, but before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever wished your website could take booking automatically without any messages or manual follow-ups? If yes, then this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. And now I am demoing how this booking will work. I want to book for 27 November. Then slot will be available like morning 8 a.m. 9 a.m. is available. So you can select, then you can click on book now. Via this step you can go to view cart etc. and further payment etc. So in the and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me and for more powerful WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. So in the step 1, install required plugin. So I just go to plugins and I am in the plugin section. Now we first need the right plugin. I am using WooCommerce appointment. So but you can use any booking or appointment plugin that support WooCommerce. Head over to okay now you can click on add new plugin and search for plugin, and if you have this WooCommerce plugin, then you can upload directly from here. Click on upload and then one box at here, and you can upload from here. And now once it's active, we can start creating our appointable product. Now in the second now in step 2, first go to products and click on add new product. Give your product name. So at here I using consultation booking. And then give your product and then add short description explaining what customers are booking. At here you can add long description. So I am at here long description at here. Now some short description. And now set highly. Okay, now at here in the step 3, set product type to appointable. Go add product data and select appointable. This will unlock all the appointable option like availability, duration and scheduling rules etc. Configure appointment in step 4. Configure appointment duration. So set how long each appointment should be. Like at here it is duration 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, interval, how much interval, padding time, lead time, schedule window. So you can put at here, it could be 30 minutes, 1 hour, or any custom time. And require confirmation. If you check it here, then confirmation will be asked. Check this box if appointment require confirmation. Payment will not be taken during checkout and can be cancelled. If check, then it can be cancelled, otherwise not cancelled. Can be rescheduled. And customer time zone, calendar colors, you can select calendar color for this also. Okay, now this help WooCommerce automatically block time slot after someone books. Now we did step 4. Now it is step 5, set availability rules. So at here you can see availability. So you can add availability at here, and you can also select global availability. Like recurring time 8 a.m. to 10, and title free and priority 10. You can add multiple, but only at least one is required at here. And now now it is step 7, add product image and publish. So at here you can see product image. So click on set product image and upload high quality product image at here. So I am uploading product image at here, and click on update. Now our product is ready. Now we can preview product. Now a product is ready, and now we can book any now we can finally let's check product page. So like I want a consultation booking for appointment like 29 November, and like 9 a.m. Then click book now. And then click view cart. And now proceed to checkout. And now place order. Now it is booked. So now our booking is done. And now thanks for watching. Comment if you want tutorial on automatic confirmation, and don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce growth tips. Thanks for watching.